Okay, yes, exactly. What is the deal with felt? So I didn't mention felt in the discussion of knits versus wovens because felt is not commonly used for apparel, which is not to say that felt isn't used for clothing. It is sometimes, but first things first. So we have really three classifications of fabrics: knits and wovens, which I talked about in an earlier video, and then we have non-wovens. A non-woven, it's not a knit, it's not a woven. What the hell is it? Woven fabrics and knit fabrics are knit and woven from yarns. Felt doesn't require yarn, it only requires the fiber. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep it simple because if I start getting technical, we could be here all day. Felt is made with fibers that are mashed together, and with the application of moisture or heat, or sometimes both, it causes the fibers to intertwine and mash together and create a textile. The easiest fiber to use for felt is wool because the fibers have microscopic barbs and the fibers stick together and mash together really well. I'll venture to say that when most people think about felt, they think about the sheets of craft felt that you get for crafts at the craft store. That type of felt isn't made from wool. It's usually made from acrylic, polyester, maybe some kinds of rayon, whatever keeps it inexpensive. So this is a piece of craft felt, and if you look closely, you might not be able to see in this video, but there's no structure to this. It's just fibers matted together. Another type of non-woven fabric, if you sew, then you have probably used interfacing. This is fusible interfacing, and it's a non-woven. It's very thin. You can literally just pull it apart and you can see the fibers. And it's just bonded together. It's just matted together. It's not woven, it's not knitted, it's non-woven.